All is well, my dear students. Welcome again. This is Durgesh Pandey, your computer teacher. And now we are going to learn about application software. So, dear students, you already know what is software, what is system software, and types of system software. Now, I will describe you what is application software and types of application software. So, let's start. So students, we know that system software is required to control the overall operation of a computer system. But application software is related to any specific requirement of user. So definition of application software is application software is used to fulfill the specific requirement of user. Application software is a set of programs designed to help users perform specific tasks. People can use application software according to their need. It can be called an application or simply an app. They may be installed on a computer depending upon the user requirements. Example: word processor, spreadsheet, accounting application, media player, web browser, etc. The application software can be divided into two categories. First, general purpose application software, and second, specific purpose application software. So let's see what this software do. So first type of application software is general purpose application software. General purpose application software are developed keeping in mind the general needs and requirements of a large number of people. Some example of general purpose application software are word processing software, spreadsheet software, DBMS database management system, DTP desktop publishing software, graphics software, multimedia software and presentation software. So let us discuss types of general purpose application software in detail. Word processing software is an example of general purpose application software. This type of software is used for creating text-based documents such as letters, stories, and reports. All word processing software provide option for creating, editing, formatting, and printing text and graphics in a document. Example of word processing software are Microsoft Word, WordPerfect, OpenOffice.org Writer, Pages, etc. Spreadsheet software is an example of general purpose application software. This software accepts data values in row and column format to allow user to manipulate, calculate and analyze data in the desired manner. Example of spreadsheet software are Excel, Lotus 123, OpenOffice.org, Calc, Number, etc. Next software is database management system. Database management system is a software program that lets you store a large amount of data in an organized manner. A DBMS can store details about the customers, employees, products, students, etc. Example of DBMS software are Oracle, Microsoft Access, Fox Pro, OpenOffice.org, Base, etc. Next, general purpose application software is desktop publishing software. This software is used for creating design and layouts of books, journals, brochures, newspaper, etc. Example of desktop publishing software are Quark Express and Adobe InDesign. Next software is graphics software. Graphics software is also an example of general purpose application software. This type of software allow you to create and edit images. Example of graphic software include Adobe Photoshop, CorelDRAW, etc. Multimedia software is also an example of general purpose application software. This software lets you combine images, text, sound, animation and videos to create interactive applications. Example of multimedia software are Adobe Director, Adobe Flash. So students, presentation software is also an example of general purpose application software. This software is used to create and design slideshow and multimedia presentations. Example of this category of software are Microsoft PowerPoint, OpenOffice.org Impress, and Keynote. Second type of application software is specific purpose application software. Specific purpose application software is developed keeping in mind the specific requirement of an organization or an individual. Software designed especially to achieve specific tasks are also known as customized software. Example of this type of software are reservation system used at airport and railway stations, payroll system used by organizations, and billing system used at supermarket, etc. So children, I hope you understood the concept of what is application software and types of application software. Thank you. Stay home and stay safe.